But we want to start with our top story. It is a breaking one, the now criminal case against Bill Cosby after the legendary actor and comedian was arraigned on a sex assault charge. His attorney calls the charge unjustified. We will talk to her and the attorney who represents more than a dozen other Cosby accusers. But first, let's get the latest. NBC's Stephanie Gosk in Pennsylvania. Stephanie, good morning to you.
Good morning, Savannah. Well, the prosecutor in this case was racing against the clock to beat an expiring statute of limitations. And he says it was Cosby's own words from a 2005 deposition that triggered the reopening of this case and led to a stunning announcement. 78-year-old Bill Cosby carrying a cane and stumbling his way into a small Pennsylvania courtroom to face felony charges of aggravated indecent assault, clearing a $1 million bail to return to his nearby home, where this case began in 2004. Prosecutors say that's where former Temple University employee Andrea Constand agreed to take pills and drink wine, then felt frozen and paralyzed as Cosby allegedly performed sexual acts against her wishes. While no criminal charges were filed at the time, Constand filed a civil suit in 2005 that was settled a year later. But it was excerpts from a deposition taken for that civil suit and unsealed for the first time last July that triggered the new criminal case. Constand's attorney asking Cosby about his purchase of Quaaludes in the 70s, a now banned drug. Was it in your mind that you were going to use these Quaaludes for young women that you wanted to have sex with? Cosby answering, yes.
Reopening this case was not a question.
The new charges were announced by the Montgomery County District Attorney, who just won a heated political election by running this attack ad against his opponent.
Bruce Castor, a former DA who refused to prosecute Bill Cosby.
We examined all the evidence that we had available to us, made this determination because it was the right thing to do.
In a statement to NBC News, Cosby's attorneys suggested the charges were motivated by local politics and came as no surprise. We intend to mount a vigorous defense against this unjustified charge, and we expect that Mr. Cosby will be exonerated by a court of law. One of the 12 women who came forward as a Jane Doe in the 2005 civil suit said she doesn't believe Cosby will admit any wrongdoing at trial.
I have not ever known him to be a person who tells the truth, so no, I don't have a particular desire to hear him testify.
Cosby's legal team has denied these allegations from the very beginning. In fact, even filing 9 defamation lawsuits in recent weeks against accusers. Cosby is expected back in court on January 14th. If he is found guilty on these charges, he could face up to 10 years in prison. Savannah.
All right, Stephanie Gosk, thank you.